Friends, today I am going to discuss about the chapter discount for your coming exam. Though I have completed this chapter one time, see, discount. Chapter name is profit or discount, but today our topic is only discount. On festival days or at the end of a season, shopkeepers offer some discount to the customers. Discount means reduction in the price. Discount means reduction in the price. This reduction is always given on the mark price. Okay, this is the main important thing. This reduction is always given on the mark price or list price or advertised price. That means reduction is always given on the mark price or list price or advertised price. When discount is offered on an article, let me discuss, after that I will go to sum. Then we calculate the selling price as follows. Selling price is equal to, means how much customer will pay, mark price minus discount. So from this formula we can get discount equal to how much? That is mark price minus selling price. Discount percentage formula is discount by mark price into 100. Generally, discount is given as a percentage on the mark price. This is the main important part. If there is a discount of 20%, very carefully see, if there is a discount of 20%, then it means that the price of the article is to be reduced by 20% of the mark price, that is MP. Generally, mark price plays the role of cost price and discount plays the role of loss percentage, because we are subtracting discount, yes or no? If D percent is the discount, then selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. Mark price minus discount, E percentage given, the discount D percentage on mark price. Put the this D percentage means D by 100. Take MP common, mark price common. What left here? 1 minus D by 100. Therefore, selling price is equal to 1 minus D stands for discount percentage. That means D by 100 whole into a mark price. This is the formula you have to memorize it directly to you can find selling price. Applying this formula. Otherwise, you have to do step by step. Step by step. Okay. Let us go to the, if discount given here D, then you can easily find only one discount, then easily you can apply the formula. Selling price is equal to 1 minus discount percentage D by 100 whole into MP. Let us see next one. In case of successive discount, sometimes we see banners like sale on sale, okay, which means that two successive discounts are given. A shopkeeper reduces prices of article by 15% on the mark price and further gives 5% discount on the reduced price. It means he gives two successive discount. Let D1% and D2% are the two successive discount. Then we can calculate the selling price directly as follows. Selling price is equal to 1 minus D1 by 100. D1 first discount whole into 1 minus D2 by 100. That D2 means second discount whole into MP, where MP stands for mark price. That we note that you have to memorize, if D1 percentage and D2 are the two successive discount on mark price, then this discount will be less if directly D1 plus D2% discount is given on the mark price. Okay, you have to remember, this is a technique. Let us go for one question. It will be more clear for you. A dealer gives 12% discount on the mark price of a TV and sells it at rupees 12,100. That is selling price given, discount percentage given. Find the mark price. So here what is given here? Selling price given 12,100, rate of discount given 12%. As you know, selling price is equal to 1 minus D by 100 into mark price. Here selling price given, discount percentage given 12 by 100, mark price not given. Easily you can find mark price by simplification. Okay. Normal simplification you have to apply. Mark price coming 13,750. This is the mark price. Let us go to the second part question. Number 2. List price of a bike, advertised price or mark price 41,800 and it is sold at a discount of 8%. Find the selling price. That means mark price given 41,800, discount given 8%, selling price you have to find out. That is 1 minus D by 100 into mark price. Put the value of D, that is discount percentage, 8 given 8 by 100 into mark price given 41,800. After simplification you are getting 38,456. This is the selling price. I am going to the question number 3. Let me explain the solved part. Number 3 question, what price should a dealer mark on an article? Mark price not given, you have to find out. Which cost him rupees 440 so as to have profit of 26%. Profit given 26%, cost price given 440 after allowing a discount of 12%. Mark price not given. That in this part question, cost price given 440, profit given 26%. Okay, so from these two parts we can get selling price, and from selling price and discount I can get mark price. See, just wait. Now apply the formula here. Selling price is equal to 1 plus cost price plus profit. If you take cost price common, that is 1 plus P by 100 into cost price. Profit given 1 plus 26 by 100 whole into cost, that is 440. Okay, after simplification getting how much? 554.40 paisa. That means this is the selling price you are getting. Now from selling price and discount percentage given 12%, you can apply the formula. Selling price is equal to 1 minus D by 100 whole into mark price. Now put the value of selling price, discount percentage 12% at 12 by 100, mark price not given. Okay, after simplification you are getting 88 by 100 into mark price. Therefore mark price will be 554.40 into 100 by 88. After simplification you are getting 6 rupees 630. This is the mark price that you getting. Okay, question number 3 I have completed. I am going to next part question number 4, and this is the last question for today. Kuldeep allows his customer 10% off on the mark price of a bed sheet and still gets a profit of 25%. Profit given, discount percentage given. What is the actual cost to him if the bed sheet is marked rupee 250? That means here mark price given 250, discount given 10%. From here you can find easily selling price. Selling price formula is what? 1 minus D by 100 into mark price. 1 minus discount percent 10 by 100 whole into 250. That means 90 by 100 into 250. You are getting 225. Now you are getting we are getting what? Selling price 225. Profit given 25%. Selling price you got, profit given 25%. From here as you apply, selling price is equal to 1 plus P by 100. P means profit whole into cost price. Profit given 25%, 1 plus 25 by 100 whole into cost price. Cost price you have to find out. Selling price 225 already calculated here. Therefore cost price will be how much? This 100 you have to multiply, divide by 125. After simplification you are getting how much? Cost price is equal to rupees 180. Therefore cost price is equal to 180. Today I have completed up to 4 questions. Okay, last question I am doing number 5. This also slight interesting question, just to see. Darshan sold an instrument at a discount of 15%, means 15% discount given on the mark price. Although a discount is calculated on mark price. Find the mark price if the reduced price is this one. Reduced price means after discount, that means customer price, that is selling price. How much given? 5,865. Discount given how much? 15%. And you have to find out mark price. Just apply the formula here. Selling price is equal to 1 minus D by 100. D stands for discount into mark price. D given here 15%, 1 minus 15 by 100 into mark price. Mark price not given, that you have to find out. Okay, 100 minus 15, that is coming 85 by 100. That means 5,865. Okay, just to see, 85 by 100 into mark price. The mark price equal to how much? 100 you have to multiply, divided by 85. 5,865 into 100 by 85. After simplification, I get a mark price is equal to 6900. Therefore, mark price is equal to 6,900. In this way, I have completed 5 solved questions. Just I explained. Next, I will do more sums on the chapter discount. Okay, it is a part of a profit loss discount chapter. Okay, for your class. Though coming exam, you have to face this chapter. Just I explain thoroughly. Go through the chapter and practice more sums. try to solve more question from your own. I will solve the remaining part. Thank you for today's class.